If your LG washer isn't draining properly, it's likely time to replace the drain pump. Welcome to HnKParts. In this guide, we will explain the step-by-step process to get your washer back in action, whether it's a front-load or top-load model. Always unplug your washer and turn off the water supply before starting repairs. Let's get started. Here are the tools you'll need: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, pliers, a towel or bucket for water, and optionally a socket wrench for stubborn bolts. Now, let's walk through the process. Start by draining any residual water. Locate the drain filter access panel, typically at the bottom front of your washer. Open it, place a towel underneath, and unscrew the filter to release water. Some models may have an emergency drain hose. Use it if available. To access the pump, you may need to remove an access panel or tilt the washer back for bottom access, depending on your model. If tilting, prop it up safely at a 45-degree angle. The drain pump is connected to hoses and wiring. Disconnect the electrical connector by gently pulling it off. Use pliers to loosen the clamps on the inlet and outlet hoses and slide them off. Expect some water spillage. Remove the mounting screws or clips securing the pump, usually 2 or 3, and take out the old pump. Install the new pump by reversing the steps. Secure it with screws, reconnect hoses and clamps, and plug in the electrical connector. Reattach any panels, plug the washer back in, turn on the water, and run a test cycle to check for leaks and proper drainage. Need the part? Shop the genuine LG drain pump and at your appliance parts. Whoa! From filters to belts, at HnKParts.com for fast shipping and competitive prices. Follow us on social media for more DIY tips and exclusive deals. If this guide was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more repair tutorials. Thanks for watching.